Thorlabs is a photonics company. We make components for physics labs and anything that would deal with light or lasers.
Thorlabs makes the toys that physicists play with. They're optical benches. We make the optics and the optical mounts. Over here at the Quantum Leap building, we have our main production shop floor. So we have our milling department and our Swiss screw machines. Over at 435, we have our prototyping department, which is where we proof out all the concepts before they come over to production.
Altogether at the two sites, we have over 90 machines and over 100,000 feet of machining space. Our biggest problems were that we grew faster than we were able to keep an eye on everything. We needed some kind of solution to tell us how we were doing, some kind of data monitoring solution to kind of solve that problem and shed some light on what our biggest problems actually were.
Our previous solution was very operator intense, very manual process, very heavily reliant on operators to give us all that information. We also had very little support from our vendor for it. So we were really looking for a new seamless tool that can really allow our operators to focus on our production. As our team was looking for different opportunities and solutions, one of the things we really noticed was that Machine Metrics would be able to be a real partner for us in our digital transformation, something that'll really help us grow and scale with us. We first started out with a trial implementation across 10 different machines, try to get a feel for how the product works, how it ties into all of our different machines, make sure it works with all of our equipment. We have a large variety of machines, some new, some old, so we really wanted to see how well the product could work for us in a long-term solution. After that trial implementation, we were able to see, okay, this is the right tool for us. We're able to understand where our downfalls are and increase our utilization by almost double.
Machine Metrics allows us to move to a more data-driven approach for problem solving. You reach a certain point as a manufacturing company where buying more machines does not necessarily get you more production. And so we're able to see how can we better utilize this machine. There are certain machines that run, tough products. There's always a dynamic between our inspection team and our shop floor. And so I can very easily see when a machine has been down for a long time because a part is in inspection, and I can provide support when necessary.
Having Machine Metrics and having that data allows us to really be realistic with where we are in our production capabilities. It allows us to know how much product we can make in a certain amount of time. It shed light on what our biggest problems were. We did not expect our utilization rates to be as low as they are. We know better how much it's actually costing us to make each of our products, instead of just having a general idea or an idealized version. Overall, it's just shed more light on our current situation and allowed us to make better decisions.
Through the use of Machine Metrics and having the ability for the operators to use it on tablets at each and every machine, the operators have a voice to be able to say all of their problems, communicate all of their issues to management. By doing so, it helps foster that open communication culture of continuous improvement. It helps to show that everyone is listening and there for them.
If the shop floor feels that they are supported, that means that we are doing our job right. If the shop floor feels that they need more help, that means that we need to step up and help them out with that.
As we're growing exponentially, we're able to easily scale up Machine Metrics to follow with it. And as we're growing and improving, Machine Metrics will be a key partner for us moving forward.